up guys, it's Nick again for another video. So I've been having a little problem. I don't have a right side speaker right here. Yes, so I found a solution. You may have seen a bit of wire right there. I'm coming right back. I'm coming to that right now. And this is a speaker in question. It looks beat up, yeah, I know, but it works. Trust me, it works. Yeah, I got to clean it up a bit, but it's about 17 or 18 years old, so it's been around a while, but it got a good impedance rating, 6 ohms. Let it focus. There you go, 6 ohms. So yeah. And back then it was rated for about 200 watts, so it can produce a decent sound. So let's get back to the wiring, shall we? Say, if you have a car like mine, a 2000 Beatz, exact model like mine, with the top mounted speakers right here, this would be the easiest way to do it. But you would have to watch other videos to see if and how to access yours. If yours are in the door or anywhere else, you would have to watch a video. So this is how it goes. So for me, I just put my key in here and then pop it out. There should be a speaker in here, but I took it out because I'll show you that later. That's why I changed it. But these wires, yep, negative and positive. Which one is which again? Oh, this is negative, this is a positive. You just, yeah, so these are what you need to find out of a radio. Just these wires for each channel. This is my right side, so yeah. Alright, this is the original speaker out of there, but here's the problem. Right there, there's wires supposed to be attached right there, but it ain't. So the positive lead is gone. So yeah, let's fix that now, shall we? Okay, so the speaker came with 2 wires, negative, positive. I had to extend mine to run it all the way around the back. See? Right there, and here is where I got the other piece attached on. So yeah, just take these 2 wires and connect them with these and you'll be good. So let's just do that, you know, right now, shall we? And here we have it, everything buttoned up, taped off, and now I can reroute. I can have these wires around here. As you can see, it's right here, back all the way to the speaker, which I need to find a way to put it in place around there, and that's going to be it. And right here is where you run the cable under the door sill. Just like that. And yeah, I'm buttoned up here too, so yeah, it's going to be really hard to do with one hand, so yeah, this is what it looks like. Not the best, but yeah. So here's the finished product. See, looks over here, right? That's what we're going for. Even though we got a little bit of that going on here, but ain't nobody seen that. So now a little bit of sound test.
No matter what them approve, no matter me. If me wrong, me hold my composure. If they fight, me fight back as a soldier. After all,